Now that you've invested in a high-quality Konica Minolta instrument, it is imperative that your equipment continues to work at top performance in order to optimize productivity and maintain the highest level of accuracy. At Konica Minolta Sensing America's state-of-the-art service and repair facility in Ramsey, New Jersey, we understand that accuracy is one of the most important factors regarding your measurement requirements. Service center customers are guaranteed the same high level of service and care that is put into the manufacturing of our Konica Minolta sensing instruments.
We love our customers. We have extremely loyal customers that come back year after year. We have customers that have worked with Konica Minolta for 20 years. We work hard to make sure our customers' needs are met 100% of the time. So we have a 10-step process for every instrument that comes in for inspection and calibration, so that we know that every instrument's getting the same attention to detail and it's returned to the customer the way that they would expect it to be returned.
Have you considered the impact of incorrect results? How important is the accuracy obtained from your equipment? Maintaining the service of your Konica Minolta equipment Six Sigma quality policy mandates that the instruments must be inspected twice a year with pre- and post-data. ISO quality management requires that the instruments be inspected and/or calibrated at least once a year.
We get the question quite a bit from customers, why should I calibrate my equipment? And the reason is that over time, instruments will drift, optics will get dirty, and these things need to be cleaned and brought back to factory conditions. And the instrument needs to be functioning perfectly as opposed to over time drifting.
To maintain your Konica Minolta sensing instrument, daily calibration is necessary. In addition, annual yearly calibration maintains the accuracy of your instrument over time. You can send your instrument to our facility or hire a skilled technician to calibrate on site.
The customer should send both the white tile and their instrument in for service annually. By sending it here, you have traceability all the way back to NIST through Japan. And that's important for a lot of customers. So we have the capabilities to do any type of repair and any necessary adjustments, and finally calibration.
Certifications received from annual calibration of your color or light measurement instrument are ISO and NIST.
Our white tile is calibrated to NIST. NIST is the National Institute of Standards and Technology, and most standards in the U.S. are calibrated to a NIST standard. So you would send it back so that you would know that the instrument is calibrated properly to the master database and NIST white.
It is important to calibrate and monitor your measurement equipment on a regular basis to minimize the risk of improper measurements or instrument failure. Inconsistent measurement values translate directly to inconsistent products and can cost a company hundreds of thousands of dollars. Konica Minolta Sensing Americas has been manufacturing high-quality, world-class measurement solutions for over 20 years. This quality does not end with our products. When your Konica Minolta color, light, and display instruments are properly maintained, your company's equipment remains a valuable asset.
I expect my service technicians and administrators to treat every customer the way they would want to be treated. I think because of this program or philosophy, we have probably one of the highest customer-rated service departments in the industry.
Hi, I'm Jody Baker, Applications Engineer for Konica Minolta Sensing Americas. This video will outline the importance of calibration and the different types of calibration. To maintain your instrument properly and get reliable readings, you need to have an annual and daily calibration. Calibration allows you to set a baseline for your instrument and be sure that it is maintained over time. Both daily instrument calibration and annual calibration are important to maintaining consistent and reliable readings. The procedure for daily calibration for Konica Minolta color measurement instrument is simple and straightforward. 2 measurements are taken with the instrument. The black measurement, referred to as a zero calibration, can be performed by utilizing a special attachment for the instrument which absorbs all light. This is referred to as a zero calibration box. The next measurement is with a ceramic white standard with traceable values. The measurement of the white ceramic standard must always be performed with the standard that was assigned to the instrument. Each white standard has a serial number and is easily paired with the correct instrument. Both the zero calibration and the white calibration readings are used to set the instrument to a known state of calibration. Both annual and daily calibration are important for maintaining consistent and reliable readings on your color measurement instrument. Both calibrations must be current and are necessary to ensure the instrument's highest performance. Konica Minolta Sensing annual calibration services are performed by certified technicians in our state-of-the-art laboratory in Ramsey, New Jersey, or at the instrument's location by one of our field engineers. Konica Minolta recommends annual calibration for assurance that your instrument is performing at the optimal level. This process can provide customers an ISO certificate and provide adjustments to the instrument required due to changes in conditions of the components over time. Certain conditions could affect the readings depending on your environment. Dirt or dust in the optics or sphere, stains or scratches on your white calibration tile are just a few examples of conditions that can affect the readings. Annual calibration includes routine maintenance of the instrument, aligning and cleaning of the optics, recertification of the calibration standard, and multiple adjustments to bring the instrument into factory specifications. To ensure instruments will function correctly over time, it's necessary that all color measurement instruments receive factory calibration on an annual basis. To demonstrate the value of annual calibration, we will be using a CM3600A spectrophotometer as our sample instrument. As part of our inspection process, 14 color standards certified by Konica Minolta and traceable to national standards are used to determine the performance of the instrument. Before service is performed in our state-of-the-art laboratory in Ramsey, New Jersey, an evaluation of the instrument and its condition is completed by a trained service engineer. Seen here are the results of the inspection process. As a result of annual calibration, the instrument is brought within factory specifications. Konica Minolta's service facility is dedicated to providing quality, performance, and value.